When you hear it hitting the back of the tin like this, you're doing it right.
Expert how-tos.
To learn how to properly shake a cocktail, there's a few things to remember. Once you already have your ingredients inside, we need to add some ice. Always be generous with your ice when you add it to your shaker tin or to your mixing glass. Do not overfill your shaker tin, but definitely be generous with the ice. You want the cocktail to be cold. Larger chunks of ice will add less water to your cocktail. Do not use crushed ice or shaved ice unless you're trying to make a frozen drink. So once you've put your ice in the bottom half of your shaker tin, put your big tin on top, give it a nice tap. If you want to be fancy, you can just give it a nice flip like that. I would actually recommend using two hands. Put a couple fingers on the bottom, grip your larger tin like this. Always keep your smaller tin on top. If you do it this way, you run a risk of the tin separating while you shake, and you'll have a big mess on your hands, and you'll look kind of silly. So flip it this way, keep the smaller tin on top. Once it has a nice seal, you'll see that these two things do not come apart easily at all. I'm pulling right now, nothing. Hold it together, a couple fingers on the bottom, grip the bottom here, at least the thumb on top or the palm of your hand right here. And as you shake, give a slightly circular motion. You want the ice to shake around and the cocktail to circulate around with the ice. When you hear it hitting the back of the tin like this, you're doing it right. You can shake it many ways. Most people do is a circular motion or a figure eight like this. I like to go like this or around. You hear the ice breaking down. You'll hear that it's getting softer. You can hear the ice starting to crush. That ice is starting to break down. Once you get to that point, and just like with a stirred cocktail, once you get that frost developing on the outside, right here, all of that tells you that you're about there. Sometimes we get stuck. This gets stuck. This is frustrating. What you want to do, turn your cocktail tin sideways here, and right where this meets this part of this large shaker tin, you can hold it here together with one hand, give it a little tap, comes right apart. You're ready to pour your cocktail. And we're done. That's how to shake.